Pink is the functional layer. This is the layer that sloughs off every 28 days during menses. Okay. The red is the basilar layer. The basilar layer is the permanent layer that restores the functional layer. Okay. 90% of the uterus is the myometrium, which is the smooth muscle layer of the uterus. On the surface, you have the serous membrane, which is the perimetrium. All right. Okay, this is the vagina, which is the muscular tube. These ridges that you see are rugae, R-U-G-A-E. Okay, and this leads to the cervix. This is the cervix. Opening of the cervix is the cervical os, os, and that leads to the body of the uterus. Okay. Now, between the rectum and the uterus, you have the recto-uterine pouch right here. This is the recto-uterine pouch. Between the uterus and the urinary bladder is the vesico-uterine pouch right here. Okay. Any questions so far? All right. Incidentally, this fat pad over the pubic symphysis is called what?
Mons pubis.
Mons pubis, right. Mons pubis. M-O-N-S, pubis. P-U-B-I-S. All right, let's look inside here. This is the broad ligament. The broad ligament is the mesentery that stabilizes the position of the uterus, fallopian tube, and ovary, okay? All right, this is the suspensory ligament, 29, that attaches the uterus to the wall of the pelvis. And here you see the fallopian tube. There are 4 parts of the fallopian tube. The red that you see is the fimbria. These are the finger-like projections that will attach to the ovum once it's released from the ovary. Next to that, you have the infundibulum. Infundibulum is right here in pink. The pink part is the infundibulum. That's just the second part of the fallopian tube. Midway is the ampulla. This is where the ovum will stop after it's released from the ovary. And if the ovum is not fertilized within 24 hours, it dies. And what do we call the death of the...
Atresia.
Atresia, okay.
I'm sorry.
Now, the part of the fallopian tube that's adjacent to the uterus is the isthmus, I-S-T-H-M-U-S, okay?
Sorry.
Now, this is the ovary right here, and attached to the ovary is the ovarian ligament. See the ovarian ligament? Attached to the ovary is the ovary. This is the ovarian ligament. Ovarian ligament. Okay? All right.
That's all.